Did you know that the oldest Yogini temple in India is situated in Odisha? This is the Chausath Yogini temple of Hirapur, commissioned by Queen Hiradevi of the Bhaumakar dynasty in 864 CE. Popularly considered to be flying creatures or kechari and possessors of magical powers. The 64 Yoginis gained worship around the 7th century to the 10th century CE. The temple is closely related to the development of Yogini cult and Tantric Shaivism in early medieval Odisha. This is evident in its circular plan and hyperthural architecture consisting of two open concentric rings of circles that resemble a mandal. The central ring consists of images of Bhairavas, namely the Chanda Bhairav and the Sakchanda Bhairav, seated on a lotus and a female figurine. The outer ring consists of sculptures of the Yoginis, carved in black chlorite stone. Each sculpture is about 40 centimeters in height, with several of them having suffered wear and breakage over the years. Some of the identifiable Yogini sculptures based on their iconography include Vindhyavalini, depicted with a bow and arrow mounted on a rat, Badhyarupa mounted on a drum with two broken arms, and Panchavarahi mounted on a boar with two arms broken. Some, like the Chamunda, depicted as carrying a lion and mounted on a musk deer, can be identified with the cult of the Metrikas. The outer walls of the temple bear carved images of the Yoginis, which are usually shown as standing on human face and flanked by an attendant. Unlike the Yoginis, these are sculpted from sandstone and are not found inside the temple. The temple is in active use at present and is locally revered as the Mahamaya temple. Although protected by the Archaeological Survey of India, the site suffers damage owing to various human activities, such as the ritual offering of flowers, vermilion and soot stains from the burning of combustibles. The Chausath Yogini temple of Hirapur is not just a place of worship but a gateway to the mystical world of Tantric Shaivism. Join us next time as we explore more of India's hidden heritage.